Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we've got a bit more filler. I've run out of pre-recorded projects and I haven't had time to really get stuck into anything else. So this was filmed at the Swindon RC Truckers group a couple of weeks ago. My first time going, a great group and a great venue. First we got some shiny high-def footage of my dad's Tamiya night hauler towing a Hercules container with the feed from a 5.8 GHz FPV system at the bottom. After that's been around the layout, we'll have a trundle round with a little FPV camera on the Rastar Landrover. There's no high def for that bit, but it's all I've got. On another subject, I found while sizing up for another model that rcbearings.co.uk do a complete set of bearings for the HG P407 Bruiser clone, so we might have to get a set to sort out its bearing snacking problem. The gearbox bearings are fine at the moment, but at the rate the axle bearings go bad, I'm sure they're going to let go before long. There's a couple of other trucks that need some TLC. There's the 3 Racing X-Reel that went for a bit of a swim. Unfortunately, the electronics weren't all quite waterproof, the main issue being the shift servo that started to melt the 3D printed mount and let out quite a lot of smoke. I was only planning to let the water get halfway up the wheels, but then peer pressure took over and I pushed it a little bit further. Then there was an especially deep bit and the water was over the roof. Another truck that's been out of action for a while is the G-Made GOM. It's still running lovely and smooth, but the gearbox servo seems to have seized up. Actually, it's more likely not the servo, but the slightly questionable sliding mechanism that's all but open to the elements. Chances are, after a bit of a clean-up, it's going to be just fine. The problem is, there's rather a lot to take apart to get to the gearbox. It does need doing though. I've been to a couple of spots just recently that it would have been perfect for. So next time we're going to have a look at a new kit. Actually it's quite an old kit in terms of it being around for a while, but I have some ideas for some custom bits, so it should be a bit of fun. Anyway, I'll leave the video playing for a bit longer, and sorry for the filler this week. Normal service will resume shortly. So as always, thanks for watching, like if you liked, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye guys!